on June 17th, 1877. Down there in that little valley was a Nez Perce village, and behind that little mound right there in the center were some warriors. They were moving in this direction that I'm panning, because coming down this White Bird slope was United States cavalry and some local volunteers determined to make them move to the reduced size reservation that had been created for them. And this is the site then of the first battle of the Nez Perce War, and 34 white men were killed, 3 or 4 Nez Perce.